Hello, it's Cassie with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release for the release called Sending Smooches. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Slimline Wide Heart Trio die set. This single die cut cuts out an 8.5 by 3.5 inch embossed edged panel that has 3 hearts cut out in a horizontal fashion. The outer edges of the 3 hearts feature a stitching detail edge, while the 3 negative heart die cuts feature an embossed edge. Each heart measures approximately 2.35 inches by 2.25 inches. Let's go ahead and make a quick card today. I've already cut out that panel using some all heart paper collection. That's new, and I have a little gnome that has been colored and cut, and that is the Joyful Heart gnome. He's adorable. And I'm just going to take a card base that I have cut down to 7 inches by 8.5 inches, and I'm scoring that at 3.5 inches. And then I will take that panel that I cut out, the Wide Heart Trio die, and I am going to just glue this down to my card base. This paper, the All Heart Paper Collection, goes so beautifully with the Wide Heart Trio die set. I can see making so many cards with this. And then I went ahead and cut that out using a different color cardstock, like a little bit of an orange, to match those hearts in the background of that pattern paper, and I'm just going to glue those into place. I love all the detail that this die set gives, giving that stitching on the outside of the hearts and then the little embossed edge on the hearts themselves. I'll glue down our darling little gnome from the Joyful Heart set along with the sentiment right next to him. There's some great sentiments in this set. And then I'm going to attach down some embellishments. So we'll just use some liquid glue. I have those in my tidy tray, and I am just gluing the little embellishments down. And then when we're done with that, that's going to finish off our card. So let's take a look at that along with some other cards that the rest of the design team made. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And check out Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more inspiration. Have a great day.